Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Tim. Today we're going to be installing our new rock sliders. These are made by CBI. They are a lifetime warranty, steel powder coated bolt-on rock slider. These come in a couple big pieces. It's a two-man job, a lot of bolts to bolt it on. Bolts onto both the pinch weld, the body mount bolts, and the body itself. Let's get into it.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Back it up on the strap. So we've slid this in underneath the center body bolt, and we're going to take and loosely install these carriage bolts. We've got 2 more to install there. We'll get 3 more installed back here, and then we'll look at getting the rest of the step installed. The one thing you don't want to forget to do before you put this step on is make sure you get this backing plate on. If you forget to do that, you won't be able to get to it. If it happens to you, like it happened to me, these stainless steel bolts are 1024. The nylon nuts I got were 1032. I ended up having to go to my local hardware store and get some more nylon nuts. But this thing will fit flat side out and the arch going forward. If you flip it backwards, you'll see the holes will line up, but you've got a gap. So we're going to flip it over. That's going to bolt in place right there. I wanted to talk about these real quick before we set this up. You have the thin side, which goes towards the body of the truck. You'll also see it's a little narrower here than at the front. The wide side goes front. At the back side, you've got wide side to the back. You also see there's 2 little notches here at the back. Those face towards the back. So that will orient that way at the back. So we ended up having to loosen up those body mount bolts just a little bit in order to get the flex made out of that flat plate. So we're going to start tightening down these button bolts, but you want to be careful. That hole underneath is much larger than this little traction board here, and you can deform it by squeezing down a little bit too tight. Now we'll need to put all these carriage bolts in down below. You may end up having to slide this lower flat plate out a little bit and back and forth to get them to line up. Now it's time to start tightening up all the carriage bolts. There are 9/16. I'm going to make sure you get them good and snug. It's not easy to get to. You can't get much turn on them. Okay, I wanted to give you a quick tip that's going to save you some time. Here at the back, we have those 4 bolts that come up through that body mount bracket. If you leave this one out, the front back corner, it's much easier to reach that back far corner with your open end wrench. All that's left now is to torque down these 3 body bolts.